Okay, guys, here we go. First thing you're going to do is take your mouse, go up into where the web address goes, click there, and type in www.studyisland.com. Your home page will come up, and from there you're going to go ahead and type in for your member login, type in your username and your password. Then your main page will come up. And when it does, go on down and click on Science, because that's the section that we're going to concentrate on. You'll notice on the left, this shows someone, being me, has already taken a pretest. It's already marked. Then if you look down, you'll see all the sections for Earth and Space Sciences, Life, Physical, Science and Technology, Scientific Inquiry, and finally there's a post-test. But don't do that until you've earned blue ribbons in every section. Now you can go ahead and click on any of the sections. You need to focus on the ones that we've already gone over in class, which so far are the lab safety procedures, experimental design, collecting and interpreting data, and we're almost up to scientific evidence. So if you want to try that one, you could give it a shot. We've also covered reproduction. Now you'll notice that there are some areas such as water cycle, weather, cells, and energy that were covered last year, because remember, this test covers everything from 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. We will review it later, but if you want to give it a shot, you can go ahead and try it. Once you click on a section, there is a lesson, which if you'd like to do that first, you may. Then you can try test mode, printable worksheets, or games. Now, printable worksheets is if you want to have extra practice at home. Those are the types of questions that I use in class on the practice OAT papers. The test mode is quick, easy, and to the point. You choose your number of questions down here, go ahead and click Next, and then whatever number of questions you clicked on, it'll show that up here, that so far we're on question number 1 of 10. Once you read the question, you go ahead and choose the correct answer. If you're right, it'll give you a star. If you're not right, it'll tell you that you're wrong. You can end the study session at any time. When you do end, it'll show you what your score was, how long you spent, the number of questions, your percent, and make sure to look down here. Remember, we're all aiming for at least a P, which is proficient, AD is advanced, and AC is accelerated. The lowest we want to get is proficient. B is basic, and L is limited. So you really want to try to master as many skills as possible. Now you can go back into that same section at any time. Maybe you decide you want to try games now. There are 3 different levels of games: beginner, intermediate, and challenging. Whatever you decide, we're going to go with intermediate and try mini golf game. You can choose to change your character if you like. We're just going to go with the default one for right now. And the first thing it does is it gives you a question. As you read through it, decide on your choice. Instead of clicking over here this time, you're going to go down to the bottom and click the person. If you're correct, it bings, and then you get to go ahead and play your round. In this case, we're trying to get the golf ball into the hole. You'll notice as you move your bullseye, the person changes the aim. The power is over on the right, and you hold it down for how much power you need. Now, as you can tell, that one was a little hard, but you get another shot at it. There we go. On par. Then your next question will come up, or you can choose to receive an explanation, which will show up here. You can go on to next question, and you may end at any time you like. There's also an area for state high scores and school high scores. Try for that. That's a heck of a challenge. You can return to the main menu at any time, and remember, this is accessible from any computer where you can get internet. All you have to do is enter your username and your password. Well, keep studying, guys. Get those standards in your head.